Integrating a DigitalOcean Droplet Firewall is a crucial step in securing your cloud infrastructure. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, explaining key concepts, providing practical examples, and offering best practices. First, you need to create a DigitalOcean account and set up a droplet, which is a virtual machine in the DigitalOcean cloud platform. Once your droplet is up and running, you can start configuring the firewall. The DigitalOcean firewall is based on the IP tables firewall, which is a standard firewall system for Linux. To configure the firewall, you need to access your droplet using SSH. You can do this by opening a terminal and typing in the SSH command provided by DigitalOcean. After accessing your droplet, you can start configuring the firewall by installing the UFW firewall software. UFW stands for Uncomplicated Firewall and is a user-friendly interface for managing the IP tables. Firewall. To install UFW, type in the command sudo apt-get install UFW. Once UFW is installed, you can enable it by typing in the command sudo UFW enable. You can then start configuring the firewall rules by allowing or denying incoming traffic on specific ports. For example, to allow incoming traffic on port 22 for SSH access, type in the command sudo UFW allow 22. You can also deny incoming traffic on specific ports by using the deny command. For example, to deny incoming traffic on port 80 for HTTP access, type in the command sudo UFW deny 80. You can also allow or deny traffic based on IP addresses or networks. It is essential to note that the order of the firewall rules is crucial. The rules are applied in the order they are listed, so you need to make sure that the most specific rules come first. You can list all the firewall rules by typing in the command sudo UFW status. To add an extra layer of security, you can also set up a default deny policy, which denies all incoming traffic by default. To do this, type in the command sudo UFW default deny incoming. You can then allow incoming traffic on specific ports or IP addresses as needed. In conclusion, integrating a DigitalOcean Droplet Firewall is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of Linux and firewall configuration. By following these steps and best practices, you can secure your cloud infrastructure and protect your data from unauthorized access. Remember to regularly review and update your firewall rules to ensure the security of your droplet.